Hi, I'm Jack Canfield. Today I'm here to talk to you about something that I'm very passionate about, training and coaching others to achieve success in their lives. I believe that anyone, no matter what their walk of life or what their industry, has a message to share with others, and they can use this to inspire others to greatness with effective training and coaching methods. In his book, Winning with People, Dr. John Maxwell talks about the boomerang principle, which says when we help others, we help ourselves. Just like a boomerang, the good we send out comes back to us. Even when there is no direct return of investment on those we've helped, the sense of fulfillment which comes from helping others is worth it in itself. Now, people derive a true sense of happiness when they act in the service of others and are involved in charitable works without demanding anything in return. If you coach for a fee, you will find that the joy and the fulfillment of coaching often far surpasses any financial reward you may earn. And if you coach for free, of course, you will also receive those same benefits. Now, one of the most valuable outcomes from coaching people is that you also develop yourself in the process of coaching. It's the genuine passion and intention to grow others that spurs us on to transform ourselves. To develop others, we first have to develop ourselves. And to continuously change ourselves, we need to continuously transform ourselves. Now, before we coach, we learn, we prepare, and we reflect on how we can be an effective coach. And during every coaching session, we gain hands-on experience as we practice our coaching skills and our coaching techniques. And after a coaching session, we reflect on what transpired during the dialogue, what went well, what didn't, and how we can do better the next time. And this cycle of learning occurs over and over again throughout the entire coaching relationship. And as we coach more people, we gain knowledge, skills, and competencies in coaching that will help us in many aspects of both our professional and our personal lives. And when we constantly apply these coaching competencies into what we do daily, we are enriched and we become better leaders, team players, spouses, better parents, and better friends. Now, Thomas Crane, the author of The Heart of Coaching, asserts that transformational coaching is applied leadership. In many ways, being a good coach for the people who work with you makes you a better leader because the ability to coach, train, and develop people has come to be accepted as one of the major competencies of a good leader. According to John Whitmore, the author of Coaching for Performance, he writes, "A manager's job is simple, to get the job done and grow his staff. Time and resource pressures limit the latter, but coaching is one process that accomplishes both." Now, if you're a leader who effectively coaches others, you grow your people. And when that happens, they produce better results. And this in turn brings you and your organization to a higher level of success. When you coach a lot of people in your company and they see the great value that occurs, this motivates them to become coaches as well. This creates a multiplier effect that often goes beyond those who report directly to you. Helps create a culture of coaching and a culture of leadership excellence throughout the whole organization. This is what Jeff Fettig, the chairman of Whirlpool Corporation, did to grow his company. He fully committed himself to coaching people and to create a coaching culture. He firmly believed that when he developed others, he developed himself, and when he developed himself and others, he developed his whole organization. You see, coaching people is so important to developing leaders that Jack Welch, the legendary former CEO and chairman of GE, declared that those who did not coach others would not be promoted. Welch knew that when his leaders grew others, they grew themselves and the organization. So when you develop yourself as a coach, you learn to believe in people's potential, you learn how to empower people to bring out the best in them and to let them lead. You also cultivate the ability of using influence to motivate people from within rather than using authority to command them from without. And you develop resilience and the ability to thrive on adversity and flexibility. Now, learning how to become a trainer or coach will help you become a powerful force to leave a positive impact on the world. So if you lead a team of people or need to walk a coworker, a student, or a friend through a rough patch in their life, having the ability to coach others to success is a useful skill. Now, one of my breakthrough goals is to train 1 million people to teach groups and coach individuals all around the world in the application of my success principles to their lives and their businesses. And whether you're a teacher, a manager, a business owner, a minister, a local baseball coach, or someone who simply wants to hold a lunch and learn at the office, you can learn to coach others. You see, I've assembled strategies and developed them into exercises that anyone can use in training groups and in coaching. And I teach these techniques all over the world, and I use them in my own life. Now here's your homework that I'd like you to complete after watching this video. Ask yourself this question. Is there something that's holding you back from becoming a coach for others? Join the conversation in the comments below. I'd love you to hear what you think, and thank you for watching. And remember, nothing will change for the better until you do. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like it, share it with a friend who may need it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And for some additional resources on Train the Trainer, visit my website at JackCanfield.com. Thanks again for watching.